watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As spring blooms, it's time to infuse your home with the vibrant spirit of the season. Embrace the charm of farmhouse decor and elevate your living space with these 20 refreshing spring decor ideas. From rustic accents to vintage-inspired elements, discover how to create a welcoming ambience that celebrates the beauty of nature. Go green with a pinch of white. Hang a farmhouse-styled wreath made of green grass and white flowers in your living room. Withered wooden ladder. Add character to your space with an old-fashioned wooden ladder, painted in chic green or turquoise. Frame it vintage. Display rustic photo frames against a gray wall for a vintage farmhouse look. Bucket flower pots. Repurpose galvanized steel buckets as flower pots for a charming display on your wooden cupboard. Egg carton flower ground. Transform an old egg carton into a planter box for bright yellow tulips, perfect for farmhouse spring decor. That old jug. Utilize an antique jug as a rustic vase for trailing vines or flowers. Chalkboard with rustic table. Pair a white painted table with a chalkboard and red-white tulip buds for a farmhouse-inspired vignette. Coir wreath. Hang a coir and cotton wreath against a white wall for a simple yet elegant farmhouse accent. Floral basics. Arrange white and pink tulips, paper flowers, and roses on windowsills and dining tables for a classic spring look. Garden jar arrangement. Paint old mason jars white and fill them with light orange and pink flowers for a rustic touch. Glass bottle arrangement. Arrange blue glass bottles with pink, yellow, and white flower stems for a whimsical touch on your windowsill. Pot and board display. Combine a black chalkboard with white pots of flowers against a brick wall backdrop. Spring basket. Use a bread basket and steel watering can as a centerpiece, adding a clipboard for extra charm. Painted basket and wreath design. Partially paint a straw basket white and pair it with a farmhouse-style wreath for a charming centerpiece. Vintage-styled centerpiece. Combine old books with a white flower vase for a vintage centerpiece, complemented by green and yellow plants. Green wreath and stone goblet. Combine a farmhouse-style moss wreath with weathered stone goblets filled with cotton balls to create a charming centerpiece with a touch of rustic elegance. Easter springtime. Embrace the Easter spirit by pairing decorative Easter eggs with floral arrangements in straw or wood-based baskets, adding a festive touch to your spring decor. Lantern decoration. Repurpose an old wooden lantern and pair it with earthen flower baskets filled with flowers in faded colors for a rustic springtime vibe. Spiral wreath. Create a unique spiral wreath using floral wreaths and wooden straws, perfect for adding a farmhouse touch to your spring decor. The one with a big mouth. Utilize large-mouthed sweet jars as flower vases for your center table, filling them with DIY flower arrangements or colored cotton balls for a playful look. With these farmhouse spring decor ideas, you can transform your home into a serene retreat that celebrates the beauty of the season. Embrace simplicity, elegance, and the timeless charm of farmhouse style to create a welcoming atmosphere for family and friends to enjoy.